Why do you hiccup? You're talking to someone and suddenly they start hiccuping. It's funny, it's annoying, and it's totally random. But have you ever wondered what causes hiccups? Well, it starts with your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe. It's right here. Suddenly, it spasms. When it spasms, it forces air out of your lungs really fast. And when that happens, your vocal cords close really fast, making that iconic hic sound. So what triggers these spasms? Well, eating too quickly, being stressed, or even drinking something cold can trigger them. And how do you stop them? Well, there's no surefire way, but science does have some fun tips, like drinking water upside down. So next time you get hiccups, try that. It just might work.